Today I've got a really cool one for you. We're going to learn how to remove the green screen in Capcut. Super easy and you don't need to be a pro to do it. So if you filmed a video with green screen or you're working on an awesome project and you want to replace the green background with something else, Capcut has got you covered. First, open the Capcut on your phone. If you don't have it, make sure to download it. Now tap on new project and select the video that you want to edit. This should be the clip that has the green screen background you want to remove. But I don't have the green screen, so I'm just using this. Next, tap on your video clip in the timeline to select it. Once it's selected, look for the edit option at the bottom of the screen. And here you will find the option, the chroma key option. Or you can also find the remove background option. This is the tool you can use to remove the green screen. Tap on chroma key or remove busy and you will start removing that green background. Now, if you've chosen chroma key, you will see a color picker tool that appear on the screen. Use your finger to tap on the green area of your video. This tells Capcut what color to remove. Once you've selected the green color, Capcut will automatically detect and remove that exact shade from the background. Or else you can simply tap on remove background and your background green screen will be removed. And after that, you can simply add a new background to replace that green screen. To do this, you can tap the add button at the bottom of the screen here, and you can choose a new video AI from the AI video, AI image or library. You can choose a new background and it will be, make sure to place it directly below your green screened video clip in the timeline. It will now show behind your subject, creating the perfect screen. And that's it. This is how you simply remove the green screen effect and add your own custom background in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.